Hey there. This is a called-in impound over here, and this was some kind of a incident where this gentleman, I guess he got chased by the police, and the best I could tell, he tried to get out and run, and the police hit his door because his door won't close. This is like, I guess it was a police chase. Why the police didn't impound it, I don't know, other than it's on a private property. Like I said, this guy, the still best story I can get out of the people that work here, this guy was drinking, and I think he took the wrong turn. He wound up at a dead-end street right here. He thought he could get out this way, and somehow or another, it looks like the police, they hit his door. They hit his door with the car, and it bent the door. It bent the door back to keep him from escaping. I guess he was trying to block the guy in. Anyway, it's a pretty nice van, but whatever this guy did, man, he probably shouldn't have ran. Anyway, I guess I'll back up and load this thing up, man. Anyway, that was the guy that come up and approached me a minute ago. He was a maintenance man that works on this property. He said the guy was crazy. He was riding around drinking out of a big bottle of whiskey, and he said the guy was just been doing that for a period of time, riding around drinking liquor in his car, and he got pulled over by the police. I guess he decided he was going to try to run, but you can't really, if you're drunk, you ain't gonna be able to outrun the police, man. You better be sober if you're gonna try to outrun them. Anyway, way it goes. Doing another impound. We got a expired tag abandoned Jeep right here. Out of state plates, yeah, Oregon plates, and nobody's responded to the stickers on it. The office said to get these cars out of here. It's got an expired tag on it.
I live here. Why are you throwing my Jeep?
It's got an expired tag on sticker.
But I live here. I just got a new car. I live here. I just got a new car.
I understand the tag went bad on this one.
Huh?
This place has got very limited parking. And they don't have space for cars that
I just got a new car.
Yeah, I understand.
I just got a new car. Literally.
I understand. It's just on the truck. If you want to pay it out, you can.
If I want to what?
You want to pay it out, you can.
Pay what out? Why would they tell you to come get my Jeep? I just got a new car.
Yeah. Oh, they came through here and stickered. Somebody stickered all the cars.
Where's the sticker at?
It's on the Jeep.
Where?
It's on the Jeep. It's right there on the Jeep.
I just got a new car. This is my car. I live here. I just got a new car. Where's the sticker?
It's on the car.
Where?
It's right there on the car.
I don't got a new car. Like 3 days ago.
This ain't got nothing to do with me. It's property. And what? I mean, as far as...
What? I just got a new car.
Okay, I understand.
I literally just got a new car.
I understand.
Don't
It was stickered 5 days ago. It's been over 5 days. It's stickered the 14th.
I literally just bought a car.
I know, I understand, and I'm not trying to be hard on you.
Yeah.
I'm just doing my job. We come here to get them, the ones that are not valid. We towed 4 out of here.
No, I just got
I had I mean, I understand. I mean, I understand, but you got to understand my predicament. If they call us to come here to tow these cars,
Can you call them, please?
you can call them, but I'm telling you, you want to pay it out, you can pay it out.
I'm not.
They
paying
called us.
out. I just got a car.
Okay, that's fine.
So where are you taking my car?
I'm going down to the office to sign it out.
Huh?
Going to the office to sign it out.
You're going to the office to sign
I'm
my
trying to
car
explain to you. I'm trying to explain to you that you understand. They call us to come get the cars that are not valid.
Okay.
With the
so
cars
I'll
that
meet you at the office.
The cars that are not valid.
Because they're gonna do whatever. I live here. They can't. I just got a new car.
If if your tag's not valid, they can tow it. You can go to the office down there and try,
car. So
and talk to them.
You want to take it to the office?
I've got to. I don't have any choice. But you're going to just be ready. You're going to have to pay it out. I'm not going to drop the car. It's got to be paid out. It's a valid tow.
They ain't going to have to pay it out. I'm not paying it out.
Okay,
They made a mistake. So I'll see what
they may. Only the weak-minded lose focus. This guy right here. I guess this car right here, he gets special parking. He's looks like he's on Instagram. A September tag. You did update his tag. Advice: if you park in the fire lane, you got a little souped up, little lowered car. Yeah. If somebody calls your car in to tow it, the tow guy's gonna tow that car, and it don't matter if it's how low it is. It's just a real good recipe. You increase the chances of having your car tore up if you got a little souped up lowered car parked in a fire lane. You got to use better sense than that. Anyway, I'll be back to get it later. Here we go again. The damn alarms. Man. Little alarms go off, they come running out on you. Man. Anyway. We're gonna go ahead and sign them out, man, and roll out. That's how we do it, man. Now here we are, we're dropping this car off, man. I'm trying to figure out how this accident happened, but they told me this is where the pedals hit. And this is where the bike hit. And this person, it bounced off this windshield, man. And I guess the guy on the bike sustained head injuries, man, and passed away. Anyway, man, we're having a lot of this stuff in Atlanta. People getting hit on scooters and bikes, man, all over the place. You know, my recommendation, if you ride a bike or a scooter, man, I tell you what, man, you really need to not ride one if you can help it. If you're out riding around, just leisurely riding a bike on the road, man, in a big city, this is what can happen, man. It happens every day, man, in every big city, man. People get run over, and it's not like wrecking a car, man. You get hit on a bike, man, you're either gonna be crippled or you're gonna be dead if they're driving very fast. I just encourage anybody, strongly encourage anybody that rides a bike or a scooter or a motorcycle even, to be real careful, man. This is life, man. When your life's over, it's, you know, it's over, and you go to your you go and live out eternity somewhere. You better hope you know where you're gonna live eternity at.